How to cancel Alexa subscription on app. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up this method. So open up the Amazon Shopping app, and then once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. Now from here, head over to the three horizontal lines in the bottom, and then once you tap on it, select the option called account. Tap on it. After selecting that, you will be finding lots of options on your screen. Scroll down, and here you should be finding payments and everything. You may scroll down still, and then here you should be finding account settings. You need to scroll down to reach over here. All you gotta do is look for the option called membership and subscription. Tap on it, and from there, if you have any subscriptions from your Google on Alexa, just go ahead and locate this option, and here you should be finding cancel subscription option. All you gotta do is cancel. Tap on cancel and confirm it. Go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts, and once you do that, your subscription on Alexa should be canceled. So that is how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.